My name is Susan Andersen and I work as a sales coordinator at Man Energy Solutions located in Denmark. It's my first time here on board Africa Mercy. I'm really thrilled to finally see the vessel. Also inside, it's an amazing work what they're doing, and to meet the people that I actually work with on daily business, seeing their faces and talk to them, it's just making me feel even more blessed to be a part of this.
My name is Thomas Hansen and I'm working for Man Energy Solution, working for the genset business and located in Holeby, Denmark. This is my first time on board the African Mercy, but this vessel is an old Danish vessel, so I've been on this one when I was a young child, so it's a special feeling being back on this one. My influence on the engine room is not about just delivering the spare parts, it's also about all the technical matters that the chief engineer and all the other engineers in the engine room have every day. They always have me to contact if there is any technical issues that they need to be solved. This project is really deep in my heart, so I'm really honored to be part of this. And working for MAN that is supporting a cause like this, I'm really proud, and therefore all my effort that I can put into this project, I will do it.